Hi, welcome to Reddway. Let's see how to integrate your payment gateways into your website. Integrating a payment gateway is a crucial step to start accepting payments from your customers. Here are the steps to integrate your payment gateways. First, choose a payment provider that you would like to use, such as Razorpay or PayU. Create your account with your chosen payment provider and set up your payment gateway. Next, log into your store account and go to the settings section. Click on the payment settings option to access your payment settings. Choose your payment provider from the list of options and enter your payment provider's API key in the required fields. Once you entered your API key, click on the Save button to save your payment settings. And that's it. Your payment gateway is now integrated with your store, and you can start accepting payments from your customers. Remember to test your payment gateway to ensure that it is working properly. Thank you.